In this video, I will discuss in details about types of content in memories on Facebook. Facebook memories are very lovely to us because it reminds us, but always Facebook memories is not good for us because sometimes it harm to our privacy. I think you understand what I am trying to say. So today I will discuss in details about everything in Facebook memories. You will see things like your Facebook post you are tagged in, and anniversaries in memories. You can turn off memories, but you can control what you see in your memories. How to see Facebook memory? Tap on your profile icon, and here you will find a lot of options here. Then you will find memories. Tap on memories, and you will find memories. If you don't find any memories here, it may be because Facebook don't have anything to show that the particular day. You can check your memories again the next day. You can also turn on notification for memories to see when you have things to look back on. To turn on notification on Facebook memories, tap on the setting. Here you will find three options, which is all memories, highlighted, and none. You can set it according to your need. Let's go back. Friends, that was our today's video about Facebook memories. You will find more details about memories in upcoming videos. Subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to get more videos like this. Thanks for watching.